So if you have an iPhone and have taken photos, chances are you've noticed that your photos are being saved as a HEIC photo rather than a JPEG or high efficiency photo. And I'm going to show you an easy way to convert those photos into JPEG all within your iPhone with everything that's already included on your iPhone. So let's jump in. So first and foremost, we're just going to create a folder in our Files section called JPEG where these are going to save to. So we're just going to go to the search. We're going to go Files. I'm going to open that up and we're going to go over to Browse. We're going to tap the three dots up in the top and we're going to go New Folder. And I'm just going to call this something like JPEG, just like that. Click Done. And now we're just going to open up our camera app to get into our photos here. Let me scroll to a photo that I want. Say we want that remote that we want to convert to the JPEG format. Then we're going to go down to the bottom. We're going to click the share icon, the little box with the arrow. And we're going to go to the share. And we want to scroll down to copy photo. Do not use the save to file, as that keeps the original HEIC format. Instead, we want to copy the photo, okay? And if you swipe up on the photo, you can see down here it says HEIF format. So you can tell that that's that format. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our files. And we're going to open up that JPEG folder that we just created. So, of course, the folder's empty. And all you want to do is you want to tap and hold in the empty space. And then you'll have this little dialog box that'll pop up. And then you just want to hit paste. It takes a few seconds for it to paste here. Once it finished pasting that into that folder, it automatically converts it to a JPEG. And I'll show you that. If you tap and hold on the photo, you get this little dialog box that pops up. You can go get info. And you can see now kind JPEG image. And so now you have that JPEG file in your folder, and you can do that with one photo or multiple photos at one time. Just copy and paste it into this folder. And it's that easy to convert any photos to a JPEG. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.